Morning guys, hope you had a good dream. I don't know if I've taken it too far with the leftovers this morning, but it's like 11 o'clock, so it's kind of brunch. And this chicken is the roast chicken that I cooked 4 days ago. Now, if I get food poisoning, you'll know because I wouldn't be back for food later. So, it looks and smells good. If you can hear that pitter patter, that is Rolo making the most amount of noise because I'm eating and he wants attention. Yum. How long does chicken last in the fridge? I don't want it flicking on my top. I always end up using my hands to eat. Guys, this like 3-minute restriction is killing me right now. I'm already at 2 minutes. Like, I feel rushed, you know? This tastes good. What are you guys having for breakfast? I've run out of time. I'll do a part 2, so I'll speak to you over there.